Hi guys, Adam here, and welcome back to another video in Adam's Toyland. Today, I'm going to be showing you this Miraculous Ladybug Daizzi plush. Daizzi is the kwami of jubilation, and I think one of the most, eye-catching traits about this plush is that purple circle around one of Daizzi's eyes. I don't think it's a black eye, I don't think. I hope not. But I think it's probably a design. Yeah, I think it's probably, maybe most pigs pigs in real life maybe have a circle around their eye. Maybe, I don't know. Yeah. Daizzi is basically, in my opinion, Daizzi is probably one of the most underused kwamis in the show. Just like my other kwami videos, aside from a select few, I'm going to be giving a brief summary of what Daizzi does in the 5 seasons that have currently been released for the show. Let's go! In Season 2, Daizzi, alongside the other kwamis, come together to attempt to contact Nuru on his 3,500 cycles, aka his birthday, and that that attempt goes very wrong when Hawkmoth actually realizes where they are. And he realizes that there are many kwamis in Paris. Yeah. So, how the kwamis actually keep out Hawkmoth is they cut out all communication. Yep, and the real reason why the kwamis can't contact Nuru is because he was powering Hawkmoth at the moment. In Season 3, in the episode Kwami Buster, Daizzi, alongside the other kwamis, are activated by Marinette for her plan to defeat Kwami Buster. Yeah. And so Daizzi is basically activated by Marinette, but he doesn't actually go into the Miraculous. Marinette actually puts the other Miraculous on just to free the kwamis for her plan. Yeah. And the only other Miraculous that Marinette uses to attempt to get Tiki back is the Mouse Miraculous to become Multi-Mouse. In the Season 3 finale, more specifically Miracle Queen, Hawkmoth actually takes Master Fu hostage and steals the Miracle Box from him. And, yep, Hawkmoth actually gives the stolen Miracle Box to Chloe. Yep, and at one point during one of the most, one of the ending scenes of the episode, I think? Yeah. Chloe actually puts on every single Miraculous in the box and tries to transform with all of them, but she fails due to Chloe not knowing the kwamis' names or the right commands. And then the episode, near the episode's end, Master Fu actually renounces his title of Guardian of the Miracle Box and loses his memories about the Miraculouses, the kwamis, and basically anything about all of his memories that relate to the Miraculouses. And he actually has Marinette. He chooses Marinette as the new Guardian. Alright, in Season 4, Yep. When Marinette becomes the new guardian of the Miracle Box, Daizzi, alongside the other Kwamis, get get permission from Marinette to roam around her room as they please. As much as they please. And in the episode Guilt Trip, Ladybug actually gives Rose the Pig Miraculous for the very first time. And yeah, and Rose becomes Pigella. And with Pigella's with Pigella's help, Ladybug and Cat Noir managed to defeat Reflecta. Yep. And, well, in the season 4 finale, I've said this in a lot of other Kwami videos, so I'm gonna keep it simple. So basically, Felix makes a deal with Gabriel to give him his twin wedding rings, and the other Miraculous, in exchange for Felix to get the Peacock Miraculous to protect his existence of being a Sensa monster. Yep, and to find out more details, go watch my Dusu video. And that's what Daizzi does in season 4. On to season 5. Oh boy, on to season 5. And this is probably... this season is a doozy. Yeah. After Gabriel manages to steal pretty much every single Miraculous from Ladybug, he becomes Monarch, and, well, after his short time being the pre-rings version of Monarch, Monarch's suit actually upgrades, and he traps the Kwamis in fishbowl-like cages, and, yup, transforms the Miraculouses that he stole into Alliance rings. So he can... yeah, he absorbs the Kwamis in the rings, and then transfers the Miraculous powers to his Kumitai's villains. Daizzi actually gets absorbed twice. Once in the episode Jubilation, and another time in the episode Collusion. Yep, and in the season 5 finale, after Gabriel Agreste makes his universe-altering wish, and then he dies. And then Marinette actually... yeah. Marinette actually rounds up all the rings and destroys them, and brings the Miraculouses back to their original form. And... and the Miraculouses that Monarch had transformed into rings get permanent holders now. And Daizzi's permanent holder is Rose LaViant. Yep, and yeah. Rose and Daizzi actually have a good relationship in the episode Guilt Trip when they first meet back in season 4. And that's what Daizzi does in season 5. Alright, so how Rose transforms into Pigella is saying these words: Daizzi, rejoice! And for Rose to de-transform, well, yeah. The de-transformation phrase for the Pig Miraculous is currently unknown. Okay, time for the rating. I rate this Miraculous Ladybug Daizzi plush a 10 out of 10. I recommend anybody this stuffed animal if they like Daizzi, the Pig Miraculous, pigs in general, and Rose LaViant. I hope you enjoyed that video. Please click the like button down below, and to subscribe, click on the picture of Luz Noceta to subscribe to this channel. Oh, one more thing. Stay loving the Pig Miraculous and Daizzi. See you later. Bye.